The function of wildcard redirect is available to help you create rules to automatically redirect 400 for pages to target pages without manually fixing or redirecting one by one to save your energy and time. Click Wildcard Redirect option first. Then click Create Wildcard Redirect button to get started on right upper corner. There exist several 400 for product pages on the website, and in order to bulk redirect them in one time, input product * in path blank, which means all URLs behind /product/. Based on the existed 400 for product pages, we input products * in target blank to make 400 for product pages redirect to correct product pages. Here, products * means all URLs beginning with /product/. Click Create Redirect button to finish setup. After creating, a success tip will appear and you can see a new rule listing in this function. Lastly, when you access related 400 for pages beginning with /product/, they will be redirected by our app to target URL beginning with products automatically. You can see that it jumps to the link with S suffix.